Hello, I'm Danny and I'm here to ask some tough questions in the Ireland training camp.
These players think training was tough. Wait until they hear Danny's questions.
What's the scariest part of being a footballer?
Maybe like big games and stuff, that anxious feeling just before it. So maybe that's a little bit scary, but I'm not too bad with that.
Away from the cover, Robinson shot. Oh, what a fantastic goal! Callum Robinson.
What's the best part about being a footballer?
I think the best part is, you've succeeded at your dreams. Your job is what you've dreamt of being as a young boy.
What's it like going over to England?
Scary, but at the end of the day, I'm doing something I love, so.
Should we do the funny ones?
Yes, I think we should do the funny ones.
You're singing the Irish anthem and you're on the big screen and you forget the anthem. Do you say nothing or mime it?
I'd probably mime it.
I'll just say nothing because I wouldn't want to mime it.
I think you see on TV sometimes with a few of the boys that maybe forget the words or sing the wrong words, they just keep going and just take it, so I think I'll just do that.
But I do know the words. I know it off by heart, so that's not going to happen.
Are you sure, Liam?
You fart in the locker room and the captain gets the blame. Would you let him get blamed or would you say it was you?
On camera now, aren't I?
I'll probably keep quiet for a little bit, maybe, depending on who smelt it.
Oh, I definitely let him get the blame. I'm not taking credit for that, no.
Let him get blamed, 100%.
Yeah.
I think I'd have to say I was the captain. Yeah.
Danny's job here is done. Now to field a few questions from fellow reporters.
I don't play soccer. I just play Gaelic or hurling.
Well, that's awkward.